Ryan Breton has our forecast. Yesterday I'd commented that we've had a stretch here of several days. The furnace has been going nonstop. Now comes our break.
Yes, and I think that at this point in the winter season, temperatures in the 40s feel unbelievably nice.
Yes.
So there's that. And also, I know a lot of people are concerned about the amount of rain with the snow on the ground. Because the period of time where we're warming up is pretty short, as I'll show you in a few minutes, a lot of the snow in the mountains and far north will not melt completely. So we're not looking at widespread river flooding from rain, unlike what we had a year ago in December. Out there tonight, there is a winter weather advisory in northern Maine into tomorrow morning. And just be aware, there could be a few sneaky slick spots even in some of the valleys tomorrow morning. Right now, the radar looks a little threatening, but I have to be honest, there isn't a whole lot other than a little light snow in the mountains right now. And closer to Route 2, it may actually just be some sprinkles and flurries where temperatures are well above freezing. Same idea here down east, a few sprinkles and flurries falling, but nothing that's all that heavy. And you can tell that by the temperatures outside of the mountains, we're well above freezing. But Rangeley 28, Greenville 30, Millinocket 32, these will be the areas where there could be some slippery spots overnight into tomorrow morning. Pretty wound up storm system in the middle of the country, and it's going to our west. That's what's going to drag up all the mild air, and that's not a storm track we've seen at all in the last couple of months. So overnight tonight, there will be some scattered snow and rain showers this evening, probably tapering down a bit toward midnight. But this is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and temperatures will be near freezing in some of the valleys and certainly up north. So there could be a couple of slick spots early on. Near the coastline, though, that won't be a problem. Then through the day tomorrow, rain develops. It looks like it'll be steadiest in the afternoon, particularly farther inland. Just some showers along the coastline. But it comes with mild air. Temperatures rise into the 40s tomorrow afternoon and stay in the 40s tomorrow night, and we likely get a round of some downpours with a gusty southerly wind. Could be some wind gusts over 35 miles per hour along the coastline as this comes through during the middle of the night tomorrow night. So Thursday morning at 6 a.m., this line is moving east, but it's very mild. Temperatures all across the state Thursday morning will be in the 40s, and there won't be too much heavy rain during the day on Thursday, just a lot of clouds and a few showers that will be around. So we're looking at around an inch of rain. There could be some locally higher amounts up to 2 inches, especially over down east. And obviously we have a lot of snow on the ground, particularly inland, but that snowpack is pretty deep and pretty cold, particularly up in the mountains. So we won't lose it all there, but I think within about 20 or 30 miles of the coastline, a lot of the snowpack will be melting as this rain comes through. So we're not concerned about flooding of rivers and streams from the combination of rain and snow melt, but there could be some ice jams as some of the river ice breaks up, particularly on Thursday. And that's a situation where you just got to monitor the river levels, places like the Kennebec, the Androscoggin. So we'll be doing that on Thursday in case there are any minor issues with ice jams. Behind the system, it's breezy and colder for Friday. Could be a few flurries. Saturday and Sunday both look chilly as well. Likely some snow showers in the mountains on Saturday. And then early next week does look a little cooler than average. So we get a warm up perhaps to 50 on Thursday and then settle back to where we'd expect temperatures to be this time of the year.
And springing forward, it'll be nice to see the sun a little later.
I know. All next week is going to feel totally different.
Yeah.
Change.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.